Hi guys, good morning. Viewers, today I am just wake up and see outside my home that one monkey is having the guava. I guess two monkeys are there. One is this one, and another one is on the guava tree. Both are enjoying the guava. Let me zoom the size. You please check it. Check this out. How they are enjoying in the pleasant weather in the pleasant morning today. It's a fully sunny day, and yeah, after having the guava, they are uh, making bless with them, I guess, because normally they are hitting their body, and see here also. Oh! What, he is in action mode or something? Hey, that is coming near to me. Oh, it's having another some seeds and all. Oh, it's just churmuri only. That is a very famous dish. It's known as mudi. Oh. Another one is also coming. I guess both having the fight now. Who will have the mudi more? Oh, they are running. Actually, I am in a little bit fear. That's why I am inside my room only. And if they will get angry, means they will suddenly attack. They will not think a second also. So it is my responsibility only to make distance from them. uh, yeah, and now they are sitting together. I guess they are the couple. So when one has completed the fooding, one has completed the breakfast, and other one has going behind him. So they are in just rest. The churmuris are there. It's falling on the rope, and they are just sitting like, they're very bigger in size too. Yeah. See, now they have got angry on me as I am making faces to them. So one has got angry on me. Very deep finger they have. Yeah. Guys, just watch their activity, what they are trying to do. I guess bananas and guavas are the best favorite dishes of the monkeys, the black faces monkeys. Hey monks, good morning. Hey, here. Oh, where he is running? Actually, near to my home, there is the one main road is going on, and all the time that's vehicle are running. So they got scared or they got disturbed. I guess every time they are looking out to that road only. They are not looking to me as I am shouting more and more, but they are still looking on that road. See. It's normally scratching their heads. Someone is playing with his body, I guess. Yeah. I guess they are sitting here for the whole day. They will sit for here for the whole day. They don't want to go outside as because it's a complete. One is going to another side. Another one is sitting here. Oh, he is sitting here. See? Oh, on my car. Okay, it is gone outside now. It's on the main road. Oh, when another one has left, this one has came to here and having the churmuris and all. Oh, now he is alone, so he is eating in a free way. He is eating comfortably. Okay. Oh, before they are having with their hands. Now it just uh, taking his mouth to that ground only and having the moodies and all. Awesome. It's a very pleasant scenery today in the morning. I came to see. Till the time we did not make them hurt or they will feel that someone is in making us curious and all, so they will not attack. ତା ଲାଞ୍ଜଟାକୁ ଆଗକୁ ପଛକୁ ନେଉଛି। ବହୁତ ଭୋକରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ। ସେ ତାର ପାର୍ଟନରକୁ ଖୋଜୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲା? ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ 2 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ଜଣେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲା? Hey, hey! Here! Still it is searching. This is awesome. People are also watching this as same from there another one building also. ଆଜି ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଢ଼ି ସେ ଖାଇବ, ତାପରେ ଯାଇ ଯିବ। Let me zoom the size of the monkey. Yeah. It's very true, it's very bigger in size now. You can able to see how it is having the churmuries and in a very kidding way they are having the churmuries and all. Oh, it is completely in sleeping position on having that food. He is just sleeping like a doggy. How a doggy is sitting and having their food, is sitting on the same way. It's awesome. It's too awesome now. Okay guys, I guess this video is getting very lengthier, so if I'll make more recording and all, then maybe it will somewhat more boring to see the views. Oh, it's running, it's sitting near to the edge. I guess this one also run behind its partner, thinking same. Okay, yeah, I thought it's a correct way. Yeah, it has also run, and now it's in on our rooftop and it's running now behind its partner. Oh, it's running on that road. Yeah, and some of the people behind, yeah, it's running on that same, so somewhat in the deepest trees are there. Okay guys, that's all. Both the monkeys have gone now. Yeah, I'm closing the video now. Enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Bye.